Hey everybody, this is Reset Your Brain, Reprogram Your Brain. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the JKD Footwork. This is like, I don't know if you know, but like I was saying previously, I feel like JKD has a lot to do with boxing, and a lot of the footwork that I noticed, from my understanding, has to do with a lot of boxing footwork, okay? As well as fencing, of course. But this is something that I'm going to teach you, because I believe you can incorporate this into your JKD training. Also, you can incorporate it into any kind of fighting style or any workout you do in general. So what we're gonna do is that this is something that I learned when I was training. Like I said before, I used to train for a little while, and this took me maybe like 3 months of constant drilling of doing footwork. Before I even learned how to throw a punch, I was just drilling footwork. So the way it works is like this. Okay, so you want to make sure you have your weight, but when you standing, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be stepping, because it actually only takes like only a little inch or little millimeters to be able to avoid a punch and be able to give a punch. So it only takes fractions of a second, it takes fractions of movements, and only a little bit of a shift to the side should be enough to get you out of the way of danger and get you in a way where you can be offensive. So we're gonna do a little bit, follow along, and let's get started. Okay, so you gotta stand in your typical JKD stance, and we gotta do it both ways, conventional and this way. So you gotta look down. So what you gotta do is when you stepping, okay, they call it stepping because when you are moving, you don't want to go like this, because if you go like this, you're kind of giving away your movement. So you want to be sneaky about it. So what you gotta do is you gotta stand on your tippy toes, and when you push, you gotta push with the front leg, and you push back. See, it's a little movement. If you go forward, you push. If you go to the side, you push, and you push. Okay, from this side, you hear, push, 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 push.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Eating up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger in a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking me open, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
The way it works is like this. I'm here in front of you. If I take it just out of the tip, you're still here. I put my arm over here.
Let's go! I need time to heal. The pain makes me real. I don't want to feel. I just want to kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost to feel. I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, cause this drive to kill, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels. I slip off the hill and crash all the steel. But I have the shield.
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. See you soon.